So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is utilize keyboard shortcuts to speed up the workflow of Structured. Let's say, for example, if I were to press the plus button right here, just like this, then it creates the new task. But if I were to hover over, you can see that Q is the shortcut for it. So wherever I am, if you were to press Q, then the new task will open up. Similarly, if I were to go around over here, then you can see that I can hover over right here, and then you'll be able to see that the shortcut for inbox task is I. So let's just go around and close this, press I, and it will simply open up the inbox task. And similarly, you may want to know the other shortcut keys that there are. So to do that, you can go around over here on the settings, and even for the settings, you can see that S is the shortcut key for it. And over here, if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, help and feedback right here, then you'll be able to see the keyboard shortcuts, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So press question mark anywhere in the app to view keyboard shortcuts. So simply go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, question mark right here. So I'm just going to go around, press shift question mark, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So create new task is Q, and then open close inbox is M right here, as you can see. So M is open, and question mark right here, just like this, and create an edit task is control enter. So then press control enter right here on a particular task right here. Then what happens is that it's control enter right here, just like this, and so forth. And then there's many different options, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize keyboard shortcuts as needed inside of Structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.